Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil Rongta. I'm Co-Chief Investment Officer for LIC Mutual Fund. I joined LIC Mutual Fund a couple of months back and I'm managing around 4 core equity schemes. Today I'll be speaking about LIC MF Small Cap scheme, but before that, just a brief background about me. In terms of my background, I'm a rank holder chartered accountant, MBA Finance and FRM. I have also cleared my ESG certification from CFA Institute. Coming to the small cap scheme and the market, I believe the key emerging themes in India are primarily playing out in the small cap space. If we talk about say 5 year or 10 years back, there were around 1800 odd companies in the small cap space. Today we have 5000 plus. Lot of new opportunities and themes are emerging in small cap space. Of course, we need to keep in mind when we invest in small cap space, it's more riskier, more volatile. But over a period of say longer term, in majority of the time horizon, small cap funds have given better risk reward to the investors. We would suggest people come to this scheme primarily from a long term perspective. Our time horizon is more than 5 year plus. Thought process would be to come in the scheme in a SIP or STP mode. We would prefer the SIP and STP mode because that is when you get both the ups and downs of the market. If we come through lump sum, that could be slightly more riskier proposition in the small cap scheme. So it's suitable for the people with high tolerance to risk driven by volatility. The returns are commensurate with the risk in this particular scheme, and in terms of how we are managing and the philosophy toward this scheme, it's primarily the bottom-up approach which we go for in this particular scheme. We look for the key players in their particular industry. We look for good quality management. 80% of our, more than 80% of our holding in this particular scheme is via bottom-up approach. Most important thing which we believe is the net worth. The returns is primarily focused on the weight of that particular stock in the portfolio. So we try to play the exposure to various companies via weights in our portfolio. I mean, if a company is looking good and if I am at half or 1% of the portfolio, it won't make much difference to my portfolio and to my unit holders. So that is where we try to play a lot in this particular scheme. That's all on the small cap scheme from our side, and thank you so much.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.